What's up guys, Bingo here, and tonight we are unboxing some Beyblade X. So we got three products here. We got this Accelerator Rail, which is like a stadium for the Beyblade, and you can it forms into like a briefcase of some sort. And man, I like buying this stuff now with my adult money. It feels so good. I used to want all of these when I was kids, and now I get to enjoy them. Well, I don't really know how much I'll be playing this. I'm probably going to be playing this with my nephew, but yeah, at least I can introduce him to Beyblade. And we also got two Beyblades here, the Cobalt Dragoon 260C and Soar Phoenix 960 GF. So let's start with the big one, with this Accelerator Rail, the Beystadium. So we got some things here, just a product overview, and there's some things on the side, and we got some scoring tips, how to score points. Never really thought about that, and I think there's an app as well. So let's start by opening this. Let me quickly get my knife because it's sealed here. We got, sorry about the camera shake as usual. Anyway, a little thing about Beyblade. I grew up playing some Beyblades. We do have a local version in the Philippines called the Trumpo, just like the OG Beyblade made of wood. So this Accelerator Rail, I think it's about $50, 50 Australian dollars from Amazon. And just pops out there. Got everything. Some paperwork, and I think it's just like a quick guide how to use it, and some rules which we are not gonna follow because we make our own rules when playing Beyblade. So the thing is here, it's about 12 inches or something, I don't know. So we got some latches and stuff. Just put that on the side, and more latches. I think that should, in theory, whoa, it opens it up. This one goes here, can lock it in. Yeah, it can lock it in with the latch. And then the other side, you lock it in with the latch. So, you got your mini arena, Beyblade arena. And then put this to the side first, maybe somewhere out here, and then let's open the Beyblades themselves. We got let's go with the Cobalt Dragoon first, because I like the color blue. Put it here on the sides, and I just don't want to ruin it, but I'm pretty sure it just just open here to the side. Oh, demo opens there. By the way, with the Cobalt Dragoon, it's in some stats there, which I don't even know if that's like a scientifically backed or it's just some mumbo jumbo, but how do I open this? Okay, I think we're much better opening here on this side. So many tapes, bro. That's all there is. Got the Beyblade here. Some accessories. Maybe we can switch things up. You got the 3, 2, 1 go shoot string launcher, and the Beyblade itself is in this small space, which I could just try to, I'm just gonna force myself into this. Oh, almost. See, that's why I don't force things up to open up. Kind of scuffed my thumb there, but I reckon it should be. I'm just gonna wing this. Should probably read how to assemble them. Please tell me I don't need any sort of so it goes like that. I don't want any extra. So I have no idea how to, okay, so you just lock that in. Don't know if my autofocus will go, and then put this in. Oh, lock this in. Oh, it's there. So that's it. Let's try it out. It's pins, so if I remember correctly. By the way, these are like fancy. The new ones are quite fancy. I remember they were just like the string was like a plastic string. We didn't have this back then. You can just, how do we lock this in? I forgot how to LL. How do I tighten that? Load twist right. So do I just do that? Oh wait, I think it locks in like that, and then there we go. So you just go to the right, try to lock it in there, and then release. That's amazing. Got that. Let's open the second one just for comparison. We got our Dragoon. Next we got our Soar Phoenix here. This is the red one. Got the stats there. Pull this out. Same thing. We got this angry looking Beyblade here. And just wreck it, you know? That's how we roll. So now, try to assemble this. If we can do it. Like we did the one before. And there we go. Okay, of course we're gonna try to, I mean, I know I'm by myself, but we're gonna try to play with it to our best ability. And by the way, it's about similar. The launcher, got the string launcher there. And man, I can't wait to play this with my nephew. It's giving back so much nostalgia. We got our Beyblade. Let's try it out. Prepare everything. Prepare this one here. See if this works. I don't want to make too much noise. Alright, let's not play with that right now, but it's so good. Just eliminated that guy. Anyway, that's the Beyblade X, guys. I don't want to play much for now because it's 4 a.m. in the morning and I don't want to wake people up in this household. But anyway, thanks for watching, and comment down below what's your Beyblade memories and any recommendation which one should I buy next, because I'm pretty sure these are like the basic Beyblade X toys right now, but it's quite exciting. Got the 2 Beyblades. Oh, I think I kind of ruined my other 2 Beyblades here. String launchers, and we got our portable arena. Anyway, see you guys. Please comment down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.